So, we've got 62 items here. 60? 32. The first offset will be all 1, corresponding to 155. Second one will be all 1. The third one, the first 2 items will be 1. The remaining must be 0. It means that you're talking about prefix number 14. Is it 14? 8 plus 8 plus 2 will give you 18.
That is the 2 prefixes.
Yeah. Can you have the prefix like 60 like this?
No.
Is it possible? No. When we've got all of them are 1. You know that. When the ones are finished, the rest must be 0. So that's not existent. That's all. Okay, so the thing that he's right, you can write IP 192, 128, 16, anything, it could be anything else, with prefix of 8 plus 8 plus 2 will give you
I didn't see the next 8.
Yes, 8. It means 81 from the left side. The right side is all 0. 32 minus 18 will give you the times of the 0, 6 and 8. Means 14. So it means that the network is so huge. Did you get the point? Can we continue? So, as I said in here, we've got 152, 60, actually I've done it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. That's a good one, that's a good one, that's a good one. That's a good one. If we've got a prefix of 25, means that we've got 25 on the left side. 32 minus 25 will give you 7. So you've got 7 items. Put 1, 7 zeros will give you the network. That will be 1, 2, 8. Your address will be 182, 225, 7, 5, and the first one, 1 to 8. So the first available is 1 to 9. Then the broadcast. Put them all 1. Substitute 1 in here. It will give you 255. So the last available is 255 minus 1 will be 200.
You always put 1 in broadcast service?
Sorry?
You always put 1, 8, 1.
Broadcast is the highest address.
It depends on the prefix. You've got 8 here. 32 minus 25 will give you 7. Means the first one is 1. If it gives you 6, the first 2 will be 1, the 6 will be 0. The result of 32 minus prefix will give you 0, 0. And you can find the beginning. If you put 1 to that element, it will give you the Sorry. It's not that complicated. It's just the mechanism to find out the scale of the network. You also can use the calculator. I'm going to show you one. Let's see here. Subnetting calculator. So that's easy. You just need to say that whether I'm using class A, B, or C, that we're going to discuss. Thing is that. Then type your address, then your subnet here, then it will give you the host range, subnet ID, broadcast, and success. So that's simple. You don't need to really calculate it with your hands, but you must be able to. But in future, we're not going to use it by hand, so there are lots of calculators that we can use. But you are not allowed to use calculator now. Until we finish this fundamental things. After that, you're welcome to use the calculator. First, you have to know how does it work. Any problem?